At Marquardt, we pride ourselves in being a full-service manufacturer with a standardized system for success. Step inside our fully equipped on-site tool room, and you'll see our advanced team of engineers and manufacturing professionals who are unmatched when it comes to experience, expertise, and passion. Our tool room offers clean, ready-to-use machined parts, free of any burrs, oil, or sharp edges. It's equipped for all your standard needs, including milling, turning, drilling, and grinding. And all parts can be customized to meet your dimensional specifications. For precision machined parts and solutions, we have multiple CNC machines and EDMs on site. Molding is our specialty. Whether it's small batch parts, upgrades, repairs, or custom parts for your assembly lines and tooling, we can do it. When precision down to the most intricate detail is required, our micro laser welding capabilities will meet your needs without any worry of heat damage. Need design work? Our engineers can create drawings and 3D models for any of your existing components and custom parts. Let us help you with engineering prototype parts and any of your concepts that need to be tested. Do you have a complex assembly or wiring project that requires extra skilled hands and tools? We can help with that too. When it comes to problem solving, nothing is too complex for our experienced engineering team. We'll evaluate your current assembly, automation, or manufacturing processes and provide you with improved, reliable solutions. At Marquardt, you can trust our manufacturing and testing experience to provide a customized solution to any and all of your engineering and application challenges.